When you're going to express ability, you should use can, could, or be able to. In this time, we will see how to use be able to in all tenses, the structure in affirmative and negative form, and the conjugation of verb be and some examples. Present tense. The conjugation am is are. The structure in affirmative form is am is are plus able to plus main verb. The example is James is able to cook steak. Negative. You need to add not to indicate that this sentence is negative. Example, David is not able to cook steak. Past tense. The conjugation of the verb was, were. Then plus able to plus main verb. For example, Max was able to swim fast when he was a young boy. Negative. As I mentioned before, you need to add not to indicate that the sentence is negative as well. Example, Jennifer and Mary were not able to dance when they were children. Future tense. You need to add will or won't before the verb be. So it will be will be able to plus main verb. Example, journalists will be able to preview the exhibition tomorrow. And the negative, you need to add won't. Journalists won't be able to preview the exhibition tomorrow. So remember, practice makes perfect.